All right, so in this one, we're going to look at an individual name here. You can set up agents or strategies just for individual names. It doesn't have to be a group of stocks. So this one, we're going to look at the Palantir hourly 7 moving average crossing over the 20-day move, or the 20-unit moving average, with the 200 unit moving average in a bullish territory. So price above that, right? You can see here we have this set up. It's only executed like a trade or two. So today's daily P&L is down a little bit, but total P&L is $846, 4.23% so far on this. And the reason why we're doing this trade is because we actually do have backtested data on this one. Buying 40 delta on a 7 crossover 20-unit moving average here with that 200-day moving average in the bullish territory. We're going to be buying the 90 DTE contract. And we got a 41% win rate with a risk reward of 8.55. You can always put in anything that you have here, white papers, or if you have backtested data chart here, add that in and definitely help out people. And knowing that, hey, you got some information here. We're going to be offering backtesting soon, so that shouldn't be a problem. All right, so let's take a look here. Performance chart. It's only been running for a short period of time, but chart is going up and to the right. So we are seeing that this is working, at least on the current trade that we are in. As you can see here, 2 trades it looks like so far. And let's just take a look here at the tree. So start time, I believe we do have that started at 9:30 a.m. Reason being is Palantir is pretty volatile. We don't want to miss something on the opening drive trade. We're going to be willing to take a little bit of a back and fill or bid-ask spread risk here, because Palantir is a name that likes to run. And has had a pretty good movement, throughout the last year or so. We got a loop in here so that we're constantly looking for this, and then we just simply have PLTR set as our symbol list. As you can see here, we just have the script, very simple. Price is above that 200-day moving average, and then we just want that 7 moving average crossing above the 20 on the 60-minute time frame. And we are looking at last periods here on this because we want confirmation. So like I said, we're going to be buying that 90 DTE call. We're going to be buying a 40 delta on this. And we just want to make sure that open interest is greater than 50 on that contract line. And then for the closeout, we're simply looking for a price crossing over that 200-unit moving average on that 60-minute time frame. We're going to get out of that. Nothing really good happens below that level. That's typically when you start seeing a lot of consolidation or downtrend start on that hourly time frame. So we have that set up to get out immediately. And the other risk parameters that we have here is looking for a price change of 500% or minus 50%. So that's a 10-to-1 risk reward. And we're going to try to get into that immediately, and then we're going to hit the bid and the mid on the way out because we want to be able to get out of this position very fast. So that is it for the Palantir hourly 7-unit moving average crossing over the 20 with the 200-unit moving average in the bullish territory. So if you do have any other questions, please contact the Options Circle team. Thank you.